I'm Simran and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is how I curl my hair because I've been getting a lot of requests for this one, especially after I did my Shanghai vlog because that's exactly when I changed the way I curl my hair. And I'm really glad that you guys noticed the change and liked the change. So yeah, here I am with this video. So before we get into how I curl my hair, there are a few things that I would like to talk to you guys about. First of all, the hairstyle that I used to keep on regular basis before I did this on regular basis was super straight hair, and for a change sometimes I used to do curls, but that was like super tight curls. Basically the curls are like really close to each other and they don't really look that natural. They look great on certain people, but probably because I have super long hair I never liked it on my own hair. So yeah, but for the sake of a change I used to do it. So the curler that I used before was this one. This is the Philips Multi Styler. This is a great one. This is 18mm. It works really well, the product is good, but I just didn't like the tight curls, so I stopped using it. Although this is called a multi-styler because it had 3 different attachment ones to it so that it can make thicker curls as well, as in like very loose curls, but it didn't work for me. Like, I didn't really like those add-on things, but yeah, the base is really well. So if you're looking for very tight curls, this would work well, but I personally don't like tight curls on me. Now moving on to the curler that I'm using currently. So this is the one. It is the Babyliss 38mm one and it works perfectly for me. Although when I ordered it I was really skeptical about if it would give the kind of curls that I want, but yeah, it worked perfectly as you guys really loved it, as I love my curls. Like, I love my hair so much that only if I had time I would do it every single day and keep my hair like that. But as you guys know that I wash my hair on a regular basis, so that's not really possible. So like if I curl my hair, that stays only one single day because I have to wash my hair the next day and I have to curl them again. So you get the struggle. So anyway, that was about the products, and now let's get started.
The first thing that I do is brush my hair really well so that I'm sure that there's no entangled hair. I have long hair, so to ensure it doesn't bother me while I curl, I tie my crown hair in a bun and secure it with a bobby pin. That's because I prefer to start with my inner hair. It's completely up to you if you want to start with your front hair or back hair. I prefer it to be this way. Start it off with taking a section of your hair, put the rod over your hair, wrap it around the rod in the outer direction. When we put the rod over our hair, that means we're taking the curls away from our face, which looks better than the inward curls and doesn't hide the face cuts. To have more prominent curls, hold it for about 10 seconds, release it in your hands and then let it down. So the reason why I do all my curls in one direction instead of doing it in different directions is because when we let them loose all together, they all flow in one direction and it looks really pretty. Deepika Padukone has been doing such curls recently and they look very neat, and especially on her, I loved it. Once we're done with the lower section, we open the bun and do the upper section. It's the same, the method remains the same. So this is how these curls look. They're all in outward direction, that is away from the face. You can also do some inside, some outside, depending on how you want the look to be. This is a bit more neat look, and if you want a messy curl, you can go in different directions.
So that's how I curl my hair, and I hope I could help you guys. And if you guys want to send me pictures of your curls, just hashtag theswishbrows on Instagram. And also if you guys want to share any travel, lifestyle, fashion related pictures and want to get featured on the Swishbrows, so you can just hashtag it. And you can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. The username for all of them is The Swishbrows. And I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!